When emailing a professor, it's essential to follow proper etiquette to ensure your message is both professional and effective. First, make your subject line clear. Use a specific, relevant subject line for your email. A clear subject helps the professor quickly grasp the purpose of your message and makes it easier to locate later. Avoid leaving the subject line blank. Start with a polite salutation. Begin your email with a courteous greeting, such as dear or hello, followed by the professor's title and last name. Use doctor if they hold a doctorate, or professor if you're unsure. If they have shared their preferred title, use that instead. This sets a respectful tone for your message. Introduce yourself briefly. Clearly state your full name, major, year, course title, and course number. Including your student ID can be helpful, as it allows the professor to quickly find your information in the school system. Be concise and clear. This is of utmost importance. Professors are often extremely busy, so keep your email focused on one topic. Be direct and get to the point quickly for effective communication. Use proper grammar and spelling. Maintain a formal tone in your email. Avoid slang and abbreviations. Use complete sentences and carefully proofread your message to eliminate any errors. End with a formal closing. Conclude your email respectfully with phrases like best regards, sincerely, or thank you, followed by your full name unless already mentioned. Including your student ID here is a good option rather than in the main body. Creating a signature is helpful to avoid typing the same details repeatedly. Please note that while the message is clear, class-related questions should be directed to the discussion board, not to the professor. This follows the established class policies and announcements. It's important to be aware of these policies early on, as many professors have similar requirements. Make sure to provide essential information like your major, student ID, and class details. This helps save time for both you and the professor, especially when fixing your information in the system. Again, remember that all class-related questions should be posted on the discussion board. This not only saves time, but also maximizes the learning experience for everyone, as your valuable questions benefit all of us. When exchanging multiple emails with your professor on the same topic, it's perfectly acceptable to skip formalities and focus solely on delivering a clear, concise message while maintaining a respectful and professional tone. Even if you send a clear and well-structured email, you might not always receive a response from your professor. This could be because your question will be addressed in the next class or has already been covered in the announcements. It's important to be patient and check for any updates. Teamwork plays an important role here, as you and your classmates can support each other by staying informed and ensuring nothing is overlooked. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your emails to professors are professional, clear, and respectful. Remember, taking a class is not just about acquiring knowledge, but also preparing for the real world. It's an opportunity to make and learn from mistakes, but strive to avoid repeating them. Small steps each day can lead to significant progress by the end of the semester.